Hello people, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Magic Write is a new feature added on the Canva platform, or should I say a recent addition on the Canva platform. What it does is to help you produce very compelling copies within a very short time. That is to say, all you need to do is to input a prompt and then Magic Write will produce the exact copy depending on the kind of prompt you supplied it. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use this particular very important feature on the Canva platform. If today is the very first time of you watching, my name is Joe, your tech and the man. Please remember to subscribe, like, comment, turn on the notifications so that anytime I upload any amazing contents like this one, you'll be notified. Set up your system, and if you are ready, remember, like I always do say, when you grow, we grow. Let's get started right
now.
So
guys, find your way to Canva. This is actually the landing page. So you can open a document by typing it here, or using this icon, or using this particular place, but we are going to use this particular icon. So click on it. It takes you here to this place. If you scroll down, you will see all manner of document templates right here. So I'm going to click on see all so we can see everything. So all these are the different document templates that are available, from business proposal to project proposal, pricing proposal, employee handbook, and even project documentation. There is hardly any document template that you won't find it right here, but we are going to create from blank. So go to create blank and click on it. It takes you here. Once here, just click on the blank and then a plus icon will appear. Click on that plus icon like so. From the drop down, just click on Magic Write. So this will pop up. So you can see Magic Write is your AI powered writing assistant, helping you write, copy and brainstorm ideas. Give Magic Write a prompt and it will write copy for you. Writer's block: ask Magic Write for a list or outline to use as a starting point. Need to synthesize a lot of copy? Highlight it and ask Magic Write for a summary. And you're also told that it's available across all designs. So these are some of the capabilities of Magic Write. You just click try out and then it takes you here. This box will open. All you need to do is input a prompt. In this case, I've imputed a prompt: provide top 10 ways to drive organic traffic to an e-commerce website. Click on generate once done or enter on your keyboard. In seconds, you have this very compelling copy like this. And if you go through all the points, and it's always advisable, just as is the case with any other content generation platform, it's advisable that you cross-check the output to ensure that it aligns with exactly what you want to do. But for me, all these points are very valid, are good enough to be used across whatever purpose. So you can, once you get the content this way, you can go ahead to customize, or should I say format it the way you want. For instance, I highlight the heading, you can align it anyhow you want it, and then if you want to work on the font, you can highlight it, change the font just the normal way you want to work on your MS Word document. Okay, so this is exactly how you format it to really reflect what you want to use and how you want to use it. This list, you can actually highlight it and then change the list type. You want it to be bulleted, you want to be non-listed, you want to number it, anyhow you want to do it, just the same way you do it in the Microsoft Word. So that is for that. So we'll try out another example. You go back to the Canva homepage. I'll type Facebook post like this and then click on Facebook post from the drop down. So if you scroll down, you see a whole lot of templates here so that you can create from, but we are going to take a template. We are not going to create from blank, so we can work on it. So pick a particular template you want to edit and then click on customize this template. So once you get there, in this case I'm going to remove this text and then use Magic Prompt to populate this entire space. So once that is done, to the top bottom corner right, you click on that icon. There will be a drop down and then you click on Magic Write. So this pop-up box will come out. Input your prompt right there and click generate. So in seconds, literally, you have your copy. I'm gonna quickly arrange this. Okay, so this is how it looks. You read through it, it's always the advice, so you don't make a mistake. So I open another one from a blank template like this, and then from the top right corner you see that icon. Click on it. From the drop down Magic Write, you click on it, the pop-up will come out, put your prompt and then generate, and just like so. So this is how you use Magic Write. You can see the copy out clean and good. So it's always advisable to take out the first line, because the first heading, because it just describes what it's about to do. So delete it and put whatever you want to be there. Read it through and then ensure that it aligns with what you want to use. So guys, this is how you use Magic Prompt to create compelling content. Thank you for watching today's video. See you in the next.